So hi friends, welcome back to Yummy Treats with Yash. So today we are gonna make a yummy cake in 5 minutes. By the way, my name is Sathar. I'm Yash's brother. And so now we are gonna make a cake with these two yummy biscuits. I'm gonna use Good Day and Oreo biscuits here. So I have altogether 30 biscuits. And as I say, this has 18 biscuits and this has 12. So now I have 30 biscuits on this plate. Now let's begin. So now we need to grind these biscuits into a fine powder. Now I'm gonna use Oreo with the cream. Now I'm breaking the biscuits into small pieces and adding it to the mixer jar. Please take help of an elder when you are using this mixer jar. I'm done. Now let's grind it. We have a fine biscuit powder here. Oh, smells so good. We need to transfer this biscuit powder into the bowl. Now I'm gonna add half a cup of powdered sugar and mix it well. Let's mix it well. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix well. I'm gonna add the milk little by little for getting a smooth batter. I have used 1 cup of milk approximately. Make sure there are no lumps in the cake batter. We need a smooth and silky batter. And while you are adding the milk, keep on mixing. So make sure it doesn't have lumps. This is how the texture should look. Look at the consistency. It's so smooth. Friends, we are gonna bake this cake in the microwave. So take any microwave safe bowl. I have greased the bowl with butter and also put a butter plate. Pour the batter in. You can gently tap the bowl a bit and even it out. This is ready to go into the microwave. No need to preheat the microwave. Please be very careful. Just microwave for 5 minutes. Yummy cake is ready. Wow, look at that, just 5 minutes. Let the cake cool down a bit before unmolding it. The cake has cooled down. Let me show you how soft is it. Wow, so soft. So let me run the spatula on the sides and loosen it. Let's unmold.
Imagine the shape.
Woo! Wow! How soft is it? If you want, you can drizzle some chocolate sauce in it. I'm gonna eat it just like that. can't wait to taste it. It's so delicious. It's super soft and so chocolatey. So friends, whenever you want a cake, you just need 5 minutes. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.